You know the wizard cat meme? It's really cute and funny. Want to have it as a GIF that you can send in chats? Tag along then, and I'll show you how to turn meme videos into GIFs. Hello everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. You can find both tools on the home page of the UniConverter. Also, in case you don't have the UniConverter yet, be sure to grab it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Once you have the video downloaded, the next step is to turn it into a GIF. So a GIF is essentially an image sequence, but in an image file format. Since it's an image file, when it comes to sharing it on social media, in chats especially, or when they're attached to emails, it's the image rules that apply to them. So simply put, you won't need a video player to open them, as all browsers, chats, and email platforms can handle them. The GIF maker in the UniConverter 16 is tailored for video to GIF conversion, so let's see about it. The GIF maker will be in the image section of the tools, so click on it and then import your wizard cat meme video. Then you have a couple of options on the right side here. You can set the start and end time here very precisely, but you may do that also on the timeline here. Next, the size of the GIF. A GIF doesn't have to be very high in resolution, so what the UniConverter suggests is gonna work just fine, but obviously you can set it to your preferences, you can set it higher, smaller. Then there's the frame rate. The frame rate also doesn't need to be the same as the original video's frame rate. A smaller FPS might give the GIF more of a stuttery look, but that's fine. Then here again you can modify the length of the video, and finally you have the option to add a piece of text to your GIF, should that be what you desire. Then when you're finished, just choose an output folder and then click on Create GIF. Your wizard cat meme GIF will be done in seconds. And that's it. Now you can share your memes in the forms of GIFs everywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.